everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a tiered stand using 3 of the Dollar Tree mini wooden trays from the craft section. So I grabbed 3 of those trays, 4 paint stirrers, some of the Pioneer Woman fabric that I had from Walmart, and I absolutely love this fabric, so I had to find another project to use. So you'll need 3 squares of that fit inside your tray, some chalk paint, and I grabbed all these other paints, but I didn't end up using any of them, and you'll need Mod Podge. So in order to make the pattern for the fabric on the inside of the trays, I just took a piece of paper and ran my fingers around the inside of the tray with the paper in it to give me about the shape that it was, and then I cut the 3 pieces of fabric to the same size as the paper. Next, you're going to paint all of your wooden pieces, all 4 sticks, and all 3 trays in the white chalk paint or white acrylic paint, whatever you have on hand. Now, once you have those all painted, it's time to add the fabric to each one of the trays. So once you have them all cut, you just put some Mod Podge in the bottom of your tray. And then lay your fabric in and smooth it out. And you're going to do this to all 3 trays. And then I added some Mod Podge over the top of the fabric as well as underneath. I just wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to peel up. And this fabric is just so pretty. Now that you have all 3 trays with the fabric in the bottom, you're going to line up your paint stirrers and decide how far apart about you want each one. Mine turned out to be about 3 1/4 inches apart. So I started at the very top with the first tray, and I'm going to use some wood glue and a little bit of hot glue. And I'm going to place my first tray. And then I'm going to repeat the same process for the second and third tray. So the first tray is going to go to one end of your sticks, and the bottom tray is going to go to the bottom end of your sticks. And the middle one will be in between the both. So like I said, they'll all be about 3 1/4 inches apart. And now you line the bottom tray up with the bottom of the paint sticks. And again, with the wood glue and a little bit of hot glue. And then you'll repeat the process on the other side as well, adding your paint sticks to the top half now. And then just repeat the process. And that's it, all finished. I had the clamps on there to finish holding it while it was drying. Once it's dry, you can remove the clamps. I got these little clamps at Dollar Tree. And this tiered stand can be used in your kitchen. It can be used in the craft room to hold little bottles of paint. It can hold decor. It could hold the K-cups for your coffee maker. The possibilities are endless. I'm glad I didn't decide to distress this. I think it looks wonderful as is. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it inspires you to make one, and please don't forget to sprinkle.